Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of supply chain management, supplier relationship management, or SRM. Supplier relationship management is all about nurturing strong partnerships with your suppliers to optimize the flow of goods and services throughout your supply chain. Think of your supply chain as a series of interconnected links, with suppliers at the beginning and customers at the end. The strength of each link directly impacts the efficiency and effectiveness of the entire chain. So, how do you effectively manage these supplier relationships? Let's break it down. One, clear communication. Establish open lines of communication with your suppliers to ensure mutual understanding of expectations, deadlines, and challenges. Let's delve into the first key aspect of supplier relationship management, clear communication. Clear communication is the foundation of any successful relationship, including those with your suppliers. It involves establishing open lines of communication to ensure mutual understanding of expectations, deadlines, and challenges. Imagine your supply chain as a network of connections. Effective communication acts as the glue that holds these connections together. So, how can you ensure clear communication with your suppliers? Clearly define expectations. Clearly articulate your expectations regarding product quality, delivery schedules, and any other requirements. This sets a clear benchmark for both parties to work towards. Set realistic deadlines. Work together with your suppliers to establish realistic deadlines for product delivery or service provision. Consider factors such as production capacity, shipping times, and potential delays. Encourage feedback. Create an environment where your suppliers feel comfortable providing feedback and raising any concerns they may have. This open dialogue fosters collaboration and problem solving. By prioritizing clear communication with your suppliers, you can avoid misunderstandings, minimize delays, and ultimately strengthen your relationship. 2. Collaboration and innovation. Work together with your suppliers to identify opportunities for improvement and innovation within the supply chain. When it comes to collaboration and innovation, it's all about fostering a partnership mentality with your suppliers. Instead of viewing them as just transactional entities, see them as strategic allies in your business's success. Collaboration involves actively engaging with your suppliers to exchange ideas, share information, and jointly work towards common goals. Here's how you can implement this effectively. Firstly, encourage open dialogue. Create a culture of transparency and trust where both parties feel comfortable sharing insights, challenges, and opportunities. This transparency enables you to better understand each other's needs, capabilities, and constraints, leading to more informed decision-making and problem-solving. Secondly, prioritize joint problem-solving. When issues arise within the supply chain, collaborate with your suppliers to identify root causes and develop solutions together. By involving suppliers in the problem-solving process, you leverage their expertise and perspective, leading to more innovative and effective solutions. Thirdly, embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Regularly solicit feedback from your suppliers and actively seek out opportunities for enhancement and innovation. This could involve streamlining processes, optimizing product designs, or implementing new technologies to drive efficiency and value throughout the supply chain. Ultimately, by fostering a collaborative and innovative relationship with your suppliers, you unlock new possibilities for growth, differentiation, and competitive advantage in the marketplace. 3. Performance monitoring. Regularly evaluate supplier performance based on key metrics such as quality, delivery time, and cost effectiveness. Performance monitoring is a crucial aspect of supplier relationship management because it allows you to assess how well your suppliers are meeting your expectations and contributing to the success of your supply chain. First and foremost, quality is paramount. You need to ensure that the products or services provided by your suppliers meet your standards and specifications. This includes factors such as reliability, durability, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Regular quality audits, inspections, and feedback mechanisms can help you gauge and maintain the level of quality you require. Next, let's talk about delivery time. Timeliness is essential in today's fast-paced business environment. Late deliveries can disrupt your production schedules, delay customer orders, and ultimately harm your reputation. Therefore, it's essential to monitor your supplier's delivery performance closely. Track lead times, shipping schedules, and on-time delivery rates to identify any patterns or areas for improvement. Cost effectiveness is another critical metric to consider. While it's essential to prioritize quality and reliability, you also need to ensure that you're getting the best value for your investment. Analyze the total cost of ownership, including not just the purchase price but also factors such as transportation costs, inventory carrying costs, and the cost of quality. This comprehensive approach will help you evaluate the true economic impact of your supplier relationships. Ultimately, by regularly monitoring supplier performance based on these key metrics, quality, delivery time, and cost effectiveness, you can identify areas of strength, areas for improvement, and potential risks. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions, optimize your supply chain, and cultivate stronger relationships with your suppliers. Remember, supplier relationship management is an ongoing process. Continuously evaluate and refine your supplier performance metrics to adapt to changing market conditions, technological advancements, and business priorities. By prioritizing performance monitoring in your SRM strategy, you can enhance the efficiency, resilience, and competitiveness of your supply chain. 4. Risk management. Develop strategies to mitigate risks such as supply chain disruptions, quality issues, and geopolitical instability. Supply chain disruptions. Supply chain disruptions can arise from various factors such as natural disasters, transportation delays, labor strikes, or even unexpected events like the COVID-19 pandemic. To mitigate these risks, companies should diversify suppliers and geographies. Relying on a single source for critical components or materials increases vulnerability. Having multiple suppliers, ideally in different geographic locations, helps spread risk. Develop contingency plans. Create backup plans and alternative routes for sourcing materials or products in case of disruptions. This might involve stockpiling inventory, identifying alternative transportation methods, or establishing agreements with secondary suppliers. Quality issues. Quality issues with suppliers can lead to defective products, rework costs, and damage to brand reputation. To manage this risk effectively, companies should implement quality control measures, define clear quality standards and expectations for suppliers, conduct regular inspections, and provide feedback to ensure compliance. Establish supplier performance metrics. Track and evaluate supplier performance based on quality indicators such as defect rates, product returns, and customer complaints. Provide training and support. Offer training programs and resources to help suppliers improve their processes and meet quality standards. 3. Geopolitical instability. Geopolitical factors such as trade tensions, regulatory changes, or political unrest in key sourcing regions can disrupt the supply chain. To address this risk, companies should stay informed and proactive, monitor geopolitical developments and assess their potential impact on supply chain operations. Develop strategies to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. Diversified sourcing locations. Reduce dependency on suppliers in regions prone to instability by diversifying sourcing to more stable locations. Build strong relationships. Cultivate strong relationships with suppliers and local partners in geopolitical hotspots to facilitate communication, collaboration, and problem solving. By prioritizing these aspects of supplier relationship management, you can enhance the resilience, agility, and competitiveness of your supply chain. Plus, leveraging technology such as data analytics and supply chain software can provide valuable insights for optimizing supplier relationships. Remember, in today's interconnected global economy, effective supplier relationship management is not just a strategy, it's a competitive advantage. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supply chain insights. Until next time, stay connected and keep optimizing those supplier relationships. Thank you.